Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your Google Business Profile in 2026, step by step. Optimizing your profile is one of the best ways to attract more local customers and improve your visibility on Google Search and Google Maps. The more complete and active your profile is, the better your chances of appearing in local search results. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Google Business Profile using the Google account that manages your business. Once you're on the dashboard, review your business information carefully. Make sure your business name, category, address, phone number, website, and business hours are all accurate and up to date. Next, choose the most relevant primary business category and add secondary categories if they match your services. This helps Google better understand your business and show it to the right audience. Now write a clear and informative business description. Explain what your business offers, what makes it unique, and the services or products you provide. Keep the description natural, easy to read, and focused on helping customers understand your business. After that, upload high-quality photos. Add your business logo, cover photo, storefront, office, products, services, and team members. Continue adding fresh photos regularly because businesses with updated images often receive more customer engagement. Next, add all of your products and services. Include detailed descriptions and prices whenever appropriate. This gives customers more information before they contact or visit your business. Now check your business hours and update them whenever they change. Also, set special hours for holidays or special events so customers always see the correct schedule. One of the most important ranking factors is customer reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave honest reviews and always reply to every review professionally. Thank customers for positive feedback and respond politely to negative reviews by offering helpful solutions. Another great feature is Google Posts. Publish updates about new products, special offers, business events, or important announcements. Posting regularly shows Google that your business is active and keeps customers informed.